everybody. We're going to take a look at what we're learning for math this week. We are going to do two things in math, and I think we can handle it. We're going to work on understand shapes and understand putting shapes together. So we're going to look at some shapes we know, and we're going to tell the names of them, and we're going to look at how many corners and how many sides they have. Here's a few examples on my board. So first I have a triangle. And if I look at my triangle, I can see it has 1, 2, 3 sides. And it has 1, 2, 3 corners. So I know that to be a triangle, the shape has to have 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's check out another shape. This one is a hexagon. Let's see how many sides and corners the hexagon has. Let's count the sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hexagon has 6 sides. Now we'll count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hexagon has 6 corners. So a hexagon is any shape that has 6 sides and 6 corners. Let's check out this rectangle at the bottom. The rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So a rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. All right, so there are some shapes. We're going to look at some more in class this week, and we will actually finally get to use the shapes that you have in your bag, your little pattern block shapes. And that brings us to the next part, the understand putting shapes together. So after we know all the shapes and all about them, we're going to look at some shapes and put them together. So here's some of my shapes. I have 2 squares here. And if I put them together, I can make a rectangle. If I turn it that way, it's still a rectangle. Putting shapes together. Here is a hexagon. One with 6 sides, like that. I can make a hexagon by taking 2 of these red pieces, which are trapezoids, and putting them together. So I can put 2 trapezoids together to make a hexagon. Pretty neat. What about triangles? I have some little triangles. I could put some triangles together. Look at that. I put 3 triangles together and I made a trapezoid. So that is the other part of our math that we are going to do. After we understand the shapes, we're going to put shapes together and build some new shapes and see what we can get. So it is going to be a pretty fun week in math this week, messing around with our shapes, learning all sorts of things. So you can always come here to look for information. We'll be doing lots of work together, and we'll get to build some stuff with our shapes finally, because I know you've all been waiting for it. I will see you guys in class. Bye.